Hello everyone, welcome to this project demonstration video. In this video, I will be demonstrating one of my projects, okay, which is a handy tool for web scraping. With this tool, basically you can extract any table of a particular URL, okay. So let's say if I have something like this, okay, this is the IPL data from a Wikipedia page, okay. I want to extract this table or this table, any table, okay, from this. So my tool, with my tool, you just have to put the URL there, then all the tables on this page, okay. So let me demonstrate it. So I just copy the URL, okay, and I just this is my simple page, okay. So I just paste it here, click on submit, and it will list down all the tables present in the particular page, okay. So this page has lots of table, okay. So it has listed all the tables, okay. Now I want to extract this table, let's say this one, this table, okay. So this is listed here, okay. I want to extract this table, so what I will do, I will select this table, okay, and we'll go below, okay. There is extract button, just click on extract button, okay, and it will be extracted and downloaded, okay. Now I can see this table. So I just open this and you can see this. Okay. So this is the table. You can check it out, right? This one was the table. Similarly, I can select any table from this, okay, and can extract it. So let's say there is this table also, okay. So I just extract this also just to demonstrate. I will click on extract and again it will be downloaded and you can see, and it is able to handle the bullet points also, okay. So when there is a bullet point, it give in dashed format. So you can basically use the pandas library to basically separate it out and do some data cleaning, okay. This is the GitHub page of it and I'm open for the contribution. So basically AI should the UI should be improved, right? There are more features. If you find that yeah, there should be this feature also, you can suggest it also, or you can contribute also, okay. So yes, I am open to contribution and I hope you like this project, and I will drop the URL here, okay. So if you want to contribute, just fork it and make a submission. I will see, review it, and if it is good, I will be adding more. Focus will be on the UI development. So as you can see, there is nothing like a good AI. I just made it, okay. I just make the functionality, not focusing on UI. So you can do it also, okay. So yeah, this is the video, and I hope you like this. If you like this, please come forward and make contributions to it. Thank you.